Hi everyone, this is S. Venkatesh. Today we're gonna discuss monitors in operating systems. Let's get into the topic. First, we're gonna discuss overview. Monitor is an operating system is one method for achieving process synchronization. Programming languages help the monitor to accomplish mutual exclusion between different activities in a system. Wait method and notify method constructors are synchronization functions that are available in Java programming language. Next, scope. In this article, we will see definition, syntax, and characteristics of a monitor in an operating system. Next, components, advantages, and disadvantages of the monitor in OS. And first, what is a monitor in OS? Monitors are a programming language component that aids in the regulation of shared data access. The monitor is a package that contains shared data structures, operations, and synchronization between concurrent procedure calls. Therefore, a monitor is also known as a synchronization. Java, C Visual Basic, and concurrent Euclid are among some of the languages that allow the use of monitors. Processes operating outside the monitor can access the monitor's internal variables, but they can call the monitor's procedures. Next, for example, synchronization methods like the wait and notify constructors are available in the Java programming language. Syntax of monitor in OS. Monitor in OS has a simple syntax similar to how we define a class. It is as follows. Monitor space monitor name, and we're gonna define variable declaration, and next condition variables, and next we can make a procedure P1, P2, and so on procedure P1. And below that, and the next above part will be initializing code part. There we can initialize any type of the code, and at a time, um, only one procedure can share the condition variables and the code loop as like. And next, we're gonna discuss characteristics of monitors in OS. A monitor in OS has the following characteristics. First, we can only run one program at a time inside the monitor. So, um, previously I have said no two monitors, two programs can run at a time inside the monitor. And the next point will be monitors in an operating system are defined as a group of methods and fields that are combined within a special type of package in the OS. And the next, a program cannot access the monitor's internal variables if it is running outside the monitor, although a program can call the monitor's functions. And next, monitors were created to make synchronization problems less complicated. And these monitors provide a high level of synchronization between processes. And next, we're gonna discuss components of monitor in an operating system. The monitor is made up of four primary parts. Their initialization. The code for initialization is included in the package, and we just need it once when creating the monitors. Next, private data. It is a feature of the monitor in an operating system to make the data private. It holds all of the monitor's secret data, which includes private functions that may only be utilized within the monitor. As a result, private fields and functions are not visible outside of the monitor. And the next part will be monitor procedure. Procedures are functions that can be invoked from outside of the monitor are known as monitor procedures. And the next part will be monitor entry queue. Another important component of the monitor is the monitor entry queue. As the process after completion of the execution, they will be stored in the queue as a um, first, it contains all of the traits which are commonly referred to as procedures only and conditional variables. There are two sorts of operations we can perform on the model's condition variables, wait and signal. The method will be called when the one processor will be getting to the critical section after completing of the um, after execution completed of the process, they can call the signal method to allow the another process to enter into the critical section by calling wait method. Consider a conditional variable y is declared in the monitor. Wait method. The activity or process that applies the wait operation and a condition variable will be suspended. And the suspended process is located in the condition variables block queue. And the next wait or signal method. If an activity or process applies the signal action on the condition variable, then one of the blocked activity or processes in the monitor is given a chance to execute. Next, advantages of monitor in operating system. Monitors offer the benefits of making concurrent or parallel programming easier and less error prone than semaphore based solution. And next, it helps in process synchronization in the operating system. Monitors have built-in mutual exclusion as if one process will be executing in the critical section that no other process will be allowed to execute in the critical section. Next, monitors are easier to set up than semaphores, and monitors may be able to correct for the timing faults that semaphores cause. And the next disadvantage of monitor in OS. Monitors must be implemented with the programming language. Monitor increases the compiler's workload. The monitor requires to understand what operating system features are available for controlling crucial sections in the parallel procedures. And the next conclusion. Monitoring an operating system is one method for achieving process synchronization. Monitors in OS offer the benefit of making concurrent and parallel programming easier and less error-prone than semaphore-based solution. The monitor is made up of four primary parts. First one initialization, and the second one is private data, and the third one is monitor, and fourth one is procedure. And monitor entry queue. Thank you guys.